elapsed time question. It says, Sally has a busy day of running errands planned. It is 2:30 p.m. and she is leaving her house. If she has to be home by 6:15 p.m. to get ready for dinner, how many minutes does she have until she has to be back home? So we're going to use this set model of our time tracker, and we're going to solve this problem. So on our time tracker, we have hours and minutes. So on the hours, we're going to have 2 and then our 1 and 30 for 2:30, and that's where we start. And so we're going to make 60 and go to 3 o'clock, and in between there is 30 minutes. And so we made 60 because we were at 2:30, and 30 more minutes is 60, and that gets us to an hour, which is 3 o'clock. And that is just like regrouping in base 10, but we're not going to 10, we're going to 60. That's the difference. Okay, so now we're going to jump by the hours. So we're at 3, so we're going to go jump 60, and that is to 4, and that's 60 minutes. And then from 4 to 5, and remember we're trying to get to 6:15, so 60 minutes. And then we're going to go from 5 to 6, which is another 60 minutes. And next we're at 6 o'clock, and we're trying to get to 6:15, so we have to jump 15 more minutes. So we have 15 minutes to get us from 6 o'clock to 6:15, and over here is where we have our 15 minutes. So on this side is all of our minutes that we have moved forward with. So if we want to know how many minutes does she have until she gets back home, we add all of these minutes. So 6. So we have 6 and 3 is 9, 15. 15 plus 6 is 21, and one more is 22. So that's 225 minutes that she has until she has to get back home. And that's using the time tracker, and this is the set model. So now we're going to put that over there, and I'm going to put our question up here. So we're going to use the same question and see how many minutes she has by using this linear model. And so she started running her errands at 2:30 p.m. So we're going to start at 2:30 p.m. So over here is our p.m. So we're going to start at 2:30. And I'm going to make a line, and this is our start. And just like on our time tracker, we're going to move from the 30 to the 3. We're going to jump, and that jump is 30 minutes long. And again, from 30 to 3 is 30, so we're making 60 again. So just like the base 10, a whole is 10, and base 60, our whole is 60. So that's from our 30, and then we jump 30, make 60. So we're at 2:30, and now we're at 3. So then again, we're going to jump from 3 to 4, which is 60 minutes. And from 4 to 5, which is 60 minutes. And from 5 to 6, which is 60 minutes. And these 60 minutes is our 1 hour. So each of this is 1 hour. And we're trying to see, she has to be home by 6:15, so we're going to jump 15 minutes. So that is 15 minutes. And we're at 6:15, so that is where we stop. So we wanted to see how many minutes does she have until she has to get back home. So we're going to take all of our minutes. So we have 30 minutes, 60 minutes, which is our 1 hour, another 60 minutes, and another 60 minutes, and then our last jump was 15 minutes on. So when we add all of that up, we add 3, 6, so we're going to use addition to add, and that is 225 minutes is how many minutes she has to get back home. So this is how we use our linear model to figure out how many minutes she has until she gets back home.